going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and once again thanks for watching. I know this video is about the seat cover, but before doing that I wanted to jump in and show you guys the street legal Tusk kit. This little kit comes with everything you need to make this bike street legal. It comes with a stop light, running light, and blinkers. It's pretty much a plug and play. You only need to know if your bike already comes with a headlight or a battery, and that's it. You select your kit. This one specifically came with a battery because the YZ450 doesn't bring one, and it's rechargeable. You just plug it in the wall and you use this one. It comes with everything. It has the pressure switch for the brakes, and everything is operated through the handlebar with a button. It's this one right here. So you just put it on whenever you're riding, and the running lights on. Let me show you the brake lights. And so this kit brings everything you need to make your bike street legal. Also, you should check your state laws just to be sure. On this one, it brings the handlebar controls for the blinkers and the headlights, and it has a horn that is battery operated. As a headlight, I got a LED bar that I got from Amazon, but this one doesn't run out of the battery. This one is actually rewired to the starter of the bike. I will cover that in the next video. So let's go to the work table and take a look what we need to change the seat cover. It's really a set of basic tools. You're gonna need a stapler, the ones that all holsters use, a set of pliers, a flathead screwdriver. Make sure it's not too thick or you're not gonna get under the staples. For staple, I'm using these ones a 1/4 inch, so they're not too big. And this is the seat that was in the bike. It still has the original seat cover. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this seat is still in good shape, but for the sake of this build, we're gonna change it so it matches the look of the overall bike. It is always a good idea to inspect the foam underneath the seat cover after you remove it. This one looks in excellent shape, so let's go ahead and install the new one. This is the seat cover that we're going to install. I got it from eBay really cheap, and when you're going to install it, just make sure that you're doing it right. This is going to be the front part because it has a lip, and you just slice it right back in. And don't worry if you think they're a little bit too short. These kind of seats, they usually are like an inch short, so a good trick is just to let them outside in the sun for a couple of minutes so they get softer. That way it will be easier to handle and it will stretch a little bit more. And if it's cold outside, you can always use a blow dryer. One trick that I like to use is just present the seat cover and use a single staple on the back so I can have the seat cover centered right where I want it. After you get the cover centered, you're gonna get the size of the seat cover and stretch to the center as close as each other as possible. I'm gonna staple those and see how they look from the top. In this case, I didn't make it quite as I like it at the first try, so don't be afraid to take those staples out and redo it. And this is the part that I like to call the massaging. You're gonna take the sides and the top of the seat and massage it and squeeze it as much as you can to the bottom of it so you can take all the wrinkles and all the imperfections down. And when you press it on the bottom, it's gonna look tight and neat underneath. Don't be shy on the staples, use as many as you need. Just make sure you don't staple too close to the edge, because sometimes the staples can pop out from the sides. After all that work, this is what we came up with. Wow, I'm really happy with the results. This seat cover is a really nice mod to this bike. It's super grippy and it just looks good. This came out really nice. The lines are solid and no wrinkles at all. I'm really happy with the results. As I told you before, don't be shy on the staples. I use a bunch load of them on this one, and I'm pretty sure this seat cover won't go anywhere after installing. So let's go back to the garage and let's install this one. Wow, this really came out great. This is just a simple mod that will make your bike look way better. Thanks for watching, guys.